You ready?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome to another video. Guys, we are taking a little trip today, but even before we get into that, please remember to like this video, subscribe and share with your friends. And Samuel just get up and go and leave we. But anyways, guys, yeah, we're tired. We are work for a whole heap of months now since we took our last vacation. So we're just gonna make a quick trip and come back as it. So we'll take you guys on the journey. We'll go through the checkpoints and we're checking everything already. We can show you guys that. So we're just here waiting on the plane to land so then we can clear off the people so we can get a seat. And then we just leave this place for a little while, get me? But anyways, we're gonna look some food because we have a little wait and then we'll come back and hit the road. So catch up with you guys later. You want to say anything?
Journey along with us.
Yeah, so see our face bright, she just happy. Me happy too. And you will see why. So catch up with you guys.
Ready? Soon get to go, okay? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we're going this way. Come this way. Yeah.
Oh, that means domestic. Yeah. Come on.
I catch.
Eh?
Me and Sam not catch. Say pretty. Alright. We're going on a trip. That woman they can shut up in her background.
No.
Dark lighting. Wow. Yeah. What you see? Yeah. Excited? So you don't have your bag? Your bag? Tommy have it. Tell Tommy to give you your bag. Ask Tommy for my bag, please. Oh, none not there as yet for him to see. No.
Look. Is it playing, Papa?
Tommy.
Yeah? Yeah, playing. Play. You tell Tommy playing? Tell me the plane coming. Going on that plane?
Yeah, we said a plane.
Hey?
Yeah. Yeah, Bhutan.
You have to put this on. Okay.
He's so fast, he's ready to put on the mask. Because he won't go in the plane. You ready to go on the plane? Let's go! Tommy, look at him face. Guess what? We show him the plane and Chris asked him if he wants to go on the plane and him say yes. And him have to put on the mask. Him take out the pass same time. Right? The plane? Yes, you soon go on the plane.
You see it? What color is the plane? White. And which other color you see? Hmm? On the plane.
The placement and wearing of an oxygen mask. FAA regulations require your compliance with all crew member instructions. Failure to do so may jeopardize.
Sam. Hi.
Plane, plane, plane.
JetBlue welcomes you to Fort Lauderdale, where the local time is 3:15. For your safety, please remain seated until the captain turns off.
Plane, yeah. Turn it. Yeah, turn it more. There. What's that? Yeah, you see the plane. Yeah. I love the plane.
Put on your mask. Here, man, put on your mask.
Hey.
Feel alright, man. Good, good. Yeah, good. But good, not you. See that? Come, I'm gonna lift you up now.
I see me about to jump.
I'm here.
Guys, we reach. Yeah, I know, right? So in the streets. Chris, let me see some. Samsung! Yay! We come fine and go from bus. We come fine and take bus. What is? Eh?
America, where they are. Outside.
I know business. Which one? So I guess we're going with this then.
Say no, sit on the car seat, I like it, not walk it.
Keep left at the fork.
day. We travel from 8 a.m. in the morning till after 11 p.m. in the night. So yeah, we're kind of tired. But we also got end the video right here, so, and then we pick up back with you next day. But just know the journey continues, and we have more for you guys. So until next time.